Uptrace is your single source of truth for monitoring, understanding, and optimizing complex distributed systems. Proven in production for over 5 years and trusted by more than 1,000 installations worldwide, it lets you see your system like never before. What makes the difference is that Uptrace is pure open telemetry, built natively from day one. This isn't a translation layer. It's a direct connection that eliminates friction and ensures zero vendor lock-in. Your homepage serves as your command center, providing complete visibility across your stack at a glance. Pin your critical dashboards and view them on one unified screen, while monitoring services, hosts, and systems in real time. When something goes wrong, investigation becomes effortless. Simply spot an anomaly and click it to instantly view the exact trace with all related logs automatically correlated. No need to hunt through different systems. Just click any span to explore the details and see the metrics that matter: request rates, error rates, and latency percentiles. For the bigger picture, switch to the aggregated view to pinpoint whether failures are tied to a specific host or service. Then dive into the Explore view to unleash custom queries with our intuitive SQL-like language. Building dashboards is straightforward. Pull from spans, events, logs, and metrics using our Prometheus-inspired query language. Create tables, charts, heat maps, and histograms to visualize your data exactly how you want. Want to start from scratch? Uptrace includes pre-built templates for popular OpenTelemetry instrumentations, allowing you to deploy dashboards and start monitoring instantly. Finally, our alerting system monitors everything: spans, logs, errors, and metrics, all using the same powerful query language, providing complete observability through one unified tool.